in this video, now we are going to turn our attention to the alkanes family. So we should under what hydrocarbons. So we want to look at what is alkanes. We want to look at everything about what of the alkanes, the explanation of the alkanes. Now we want to look at what the structure, the general molecular formula, the members. They want to look at what preparation and the reactions. Now there are two things we are not going to do in this video. The nomenclature of the alkanes, right? Now the main reason why I'm going to do that here because I've already done a complete video on the nomenclature of the alkanes. Now the link to those videos will be at the description below. Do you understand? They are not going to talk about what isomerism because I've also talked about isomerism. So two things I'm not going to look at in this video here. One is nomenclature. Why? Because I've already done a complete video on that. Two, isomerism. Why? Because I've already done video on the isomerism here, right? So let's look at what's alkanes, the members of the alkane, the hybridization, general molecular formulas, the members, and the rest, right? You want to know what preparation, how do you prepare alkanes? Because JAM normally asks, or they normally take kind of question in the exam. The last one I want to class what called the preparations. How do you prepare what the alkanes? Do you understand? So you want to work, make sure that you stick to the end of this video here. Take down every single time I'm going to explain to you in this video here, and you'll see them in the exam. So if you have any question, or leave a comment section. Please, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please kindly subscribe. Hit the subscribe button so you will not miss out any other video I want to watch up on this YouTube channel. My goal here is to be of assistance to you academically, just so that you can be better and improve academically. So let me look at what is alkanes. The first thing we want you to understand here is that alkanes are hydrocarbons. Alkanes are hydrocarbons with the general molecular formula of what? CnH2n plus 1 plus 2. So alkanes are what? They are hydrocarbon. They are what? Hydrocarbon with general molecular formula of CnH2n plus 2. I there. That is just want to understand here. They are hydrocarbon. So what is the word hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon, these are organic compounds that contain carbon and hydrogen only. Do you understand? And alkanes have general molecular formula of CnH2n plus 2. So all the members of the alkane family must correspond to what? To this general molecular formula. As I explain further, you need to understand this better. Let's just need to know. The second thing you need to know here is that they are what? Saturated hydrocarbon. They are what? Saturated what? Hydrocarbon with what? Single bonds and sp3 hybridization. So another thing to understand here is that about the alkanes that outside of the hydrocarbon general molecular formula of this here, now they are saturated hydrocarbon, right? And there's a reason why they are called saturated hydrocarbon. Now I have done that in hybridization. The main reason why they are called saturated hydrocarbon is because carbon make use of all the 4 valence electrons for bonding. I don't want to go into those details now because I've already explained that here. But understand that they are what? Saturated hydrocarbon. They are what? Saturated hydrocarbon with single bond. So whenever I see a single bond in hydrocarbon, they are what? Is an alkane with what? sp3 hybridization. All single bonds are what? sp3. Just and there's a reason why this is big form. So please, that is the reason why I want to check out my hybridization video. Just it's very important you follow all these things here. Just now another thing you want to understand here. Now these are the key 2 things you need to understand, right? Now let's look at what members of the of the alkanes. Members of the alkanes. So let's look at what members of alkanes family. Alkane family. Again. So your main concern should be what? The first 10 members of the alkanes. So what you should look at is what is first 10 members of the alkanes, right? Which I'm going to show you here. Now the first one we are going to look at is called what? The methane. The methane, yes, the methane is what? The methane is what is first members of the alkane. That what carbon what number one. Number two is what? Ethane. Number two is what? Is the ethane. Number three is what? Is propane. Number four is what? Is butane. Number five is what? Is propane. Right there. Number six is what? Number six is number five is what? Is number five is what? Is pentane. Number six is what? Is hexane. Number seven is what? Is heptane. Number eight is octane. Number nine is what? Is nonane. And number 10 is what? Number 10 is what? Is decane. Right there. So as a chemistry student, look at something here. As a chemistry student here, if you really want to understand the nomenclature very well, you need first to understand very well the first 10 members of the alkanes. As a matter of fact, alkanes is what? Model to what? To every other functional group. Do you understand? Must know alkanes can what? Know any other functional group very well. Do you understand? Now, once finish watching this video here, please take note. Once finish watching this video here, I want to go check out what the next video on nomenclature of the alkane. It's very important. Now look at something here. One thing I need to explain here to you is that alkanes can either be an open chain or a closed chain. So alkanes, they can either be a closed chain or open what? Chain. So when we talk about the alkane family, they can either be a closed chain or open chain. Open chain is like this: CH3, CH2, 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 CH2. Just like it's called open what? Chain, right? Or it can either be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or it can be like this. This is that. So they can either be an open chain or what? A closed chain. Now this one here is called alkanes. Now when I see alkanes like this, called an open chain. They also have what called cyclo what? Alkanes. Now what is difference here? What is difference here? Now alkanes means open chain. Cyclo means what? Cycloalkanes means what? Closed. Do you understand? And they must be what? A single bond, because they are all single bond, no double bond here. So alkanes, they only contain what? A single bond. So you can say that the functional group is just single bonds. At times they say that there is no functional group. Do you understand? But for proper explanation here, the functional group, they are all single bond. So any alkane that contains just a single bond are what? Are what? Alkanes. Do you understand? And they are what? Hydrocarbon. Like when I say they are what? Hydrocarbon. Carbon and hydrogen what? Only. So here are what? The first 10 members of the alkanes family. Just here are the what? First 10 members of the alkanes. The methane, the ethane, the propane, the butane, the pentane, the hexane, the heptane, the octane, the nonane, and decane. All that you want to understand here is that how do we get the molecular formula for each of them, right? How do you get the molecular formula for each of them here? Remember, I told you that in the first one here, they are hydrocarbon with general molecular formula of CnH2n plus 2, right? So each of them have this general molecular formula, right? So if I should plug it to here, CnH2n plus 2, what does it mean? This N means what? Numbers of carbon atoms. Do you understand? So we talk about met. Met is what? Means 1 carbon atom. Egg means what? 2 carbon atom. Probe means what? 3 carbon atom. Boot means what? 4 carbon atom. Paint means what? Paint means what? 5 carbon atom. Airs means what? 6 carbon atom. Ept means what? 7 carbon atom. Oct means what? 8 carbon atom. Non means what? 9 carbon atom. And dec means what? 10 carbon atom. Do you understand? So when you talk about methane, met means 1 carbon atom, right? That is my N is going to be what? 1. Why? Because I said that CnH2n plus 2, right? Each of them have the general molecular formula here, right? This means what? 1 carbon atom. That is my N equals to what? 2. So if I should plug it here, like C1H2 1 plus 2, what are you going to get? You're going to have CH 2 times 1 is what? 2 plus 2, which is 4. That is the molecular formula of methane is what? CH what? 4. Just that. So the molecular formula of methane is what? CH4, right? Now this H means what? N equals to what? To 2. I have shown if we put to here and put to here, what are you going to get? You're going to get C2H 2 times 2, 4 plus 2, 6. Right? So we have C2H what? 6. Right? Now, proof my N equals to what? 3. Right? So if I should put N equals to 3 here, what am I going to get? You are going to get C3H3 2 plus 2. Right? C3H. So 3 times 2 is what? 6 plus 2, which is what? 8. So if you check it very well, you have C3H8. Now, let me show you something here. These were homologous series. They're all homologous of series. Now, what about family of organic compound here? Each member is different from the other members by what? By minus CH2. Now, let me explain to you here. What is between this guy and this guy? The difference between this guy and this guy is what? Minus CH2. Because if you should add this one to this other one here, you get this one. If you should add this one to this other one here, you get this one here, right? Add CH2 to this other one here. C plus C is what? Is 2, right? 4 plus 2 is 6, right? Add it again to this other one here. 1 plus, because here is 2, here is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 6 plus 2 is what? Is 8, right? If you keep on adding sort to this one here, you get down to get the next homologous series. Just I want to get the next molecular formula, right? If you add to this other one here, you want to have C4H10. You see that? If you confirm it very well, if you should plug 4 here, C4H2 4 plus 2. What are you going to get? C4H 2 times 4 is what? 8 plus 2, 10. You see that? So let's keep on adding this CH2 to get to decane. So we have C5H what? 12. Add it again, C6H what? 14. Add it again, C what? C7H what? 16. Right? Add it again, right? C8H what? 18. Right? Add it again, C9H20. Add it again, we have C10H what? 20 what? 2. Just so these are things you need to actually know when it comes to what? The alkanes what? Family. Another thing, yeah, let's try and draw each of the words of the structure so that we understand how these structures are being drawn. So let's draw each of the structure here. Let's draw each of the words of the structure. If you look at what? CH for here, we have C, hydrogen, and what? Hydrogen, right? So now this is called the fully display formula here, because there are formulas in what? Drawing molecular formula or organic compound here. Now this CH for you're seeing here, that is carbon atom with what? 4 hydrogen what? Atom. That is it. Now for the ethane, which is 2, what does it mean here? It means that what? Here we have carbon, right? Each carbon atom will be having what? 3 hydrogen. Here we have 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Just that. Understand? Then yeah, this one means what? 3 carbon atom, which is what? 1, 2, 3, right? So you can see that how many hydrogen? 8 hydrogen. 8 hydrogen, which is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Can you see that? Now this one also is saying about as CH4. So what I think is about CH3, CH3. Just that This I've seen here is what is CH2, CH2, and what CH2. This is that. Now let's look at this one here. 4 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and what and 10. This is that. If you check it very well, it's also saying that what CH3, CH2, CH2, and what CH2. That is me here. It's okay. Now let's look at what 5. 5. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's okay. How many carbon atom here? 12 carbon atom here. So then you go to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Do you see that? Now what does it mean here? Here we have what? CH3, CH2, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have CH3. Do you understand? So these are also the same thing this guy here. This is also the same thing here. This is also the same thing here. This is also the same thing here, and this is also the same thing here, right? So this is how you do it to what you get to decane, right? Which is what 10 carbon atom here. So let's look at what decane, right? Look at decane means what 10. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you understand? Each of them we have what hydrogen here. 1, 2, 3, right? Do you understand? Now, why are carbon having 4 carbon atoms here? Four bonds. Now, carbon must have 4 bonds. Do you understand? Because it is tetravalent. And so it must have what 4 bonds. Carbon cannot have more than 4 bonds, or cannot have less than what 4 bonds. Do you understand? So that is why it's called saturated. So we have hydrogen, 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 and hydrogen. This is that. So check very well. Here we have CH3, CH2, 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 and what CH3. Do you understand? So these are what this is the what introductory aspect of the alkanes. This is the introductory aspect of the alkanes. These are things you need to what pay close attention to. Do you understand? All these is helpful, please. Now let's move to the preparation of the what of the alkanes. How do you prepare alkanes? What are the preparation of the alkanes? Do you understand? These are things you need to pay close attention to. So let's move to the preparation of the alkanes.